Hello everybody and welcome to this course on Mendeley. Thank you very much for joining me and embarking on this journey together, which will enable you to become a power user of the Mendeley reference management software. Reference management software is fantastic. It's going to save you a lot of time. I have taught the use of Mendeley for many years to hundreds, if not thousands, of students and researchers at institutions. And a common comment I get as a result of my training is that just how fantastic the software is and the amount of time that it can save you. So Mendeley is a great tool for being able to save you time in the long run, and congratulations on embarking on this course and dedicating this time to learn how to use Mendeley, because I know in the long run this is really going to pay off for you. So I'm excited for you to join us today as we begin our journey of discovery into how best to use the Mendeley referencing and management software. So throughout the course we are going to take a couple of key steps on our journey. So this is our roadmap, and we begin by looking at how we can create an account and download the Mendeley reference management software. We then take some time to gather our orientation of the software and begin to explore how we can add references to your library. And as over time we begin to build up your library, we are going to discover how to curate your library and to be able to search and organize your references effectively. Another benefit of using Mendeley is the ability to both read and annotate your documents as well as share documents, and we are going to discover together how to do that. And the core component of Mendeley is importing research from perhaps the internet in the shape of websites or research articles into your Mendeley library, and we're going to take a step-by-step approach to how you can do that. Then finally we're going to look at the real power user feature of Mendeley, and that is how to generate automatically both your in-text citations and your reference or bibliography in the style of your choice. So at the end of the course you're going to be fully equipped and ready to race off into the distance and begin your research with the use of Mendeley in your back pocket. So without further ado, let's get going and explore how we can use Mendeley in our research.